How often do you eat fish?
I never eat fish.
How often do you go swimming?
I usually go swimming on Saturdays. How often do you watch TV?
I sometimes watch TV in the evening. How often do you play tennis?
I never play tennis. How often do you tidy your room?
I always tidy my room on Saturdays. How often do you go to the theatre?
I never go to the theatre. How often do you get up early?
I often get up early. How often do you go to bed late?
I sometimes go to bed late.
I usually get up at 7 in the morning. I never walk to school. I often watch TV in the evening. I sometimes go to the cinema with my friends. I never go jogging in the evening.
On Mondays, I always watch my favorite TV program in the evening. At school, I never use my mobile. At weekends, I usually go for a walk with my friends. In the afternoon, I always do my homework. In the evening, I sometimes watch TV.